If you clicked on this video, I'm assuming that you're debating whether you should start to day trade or not. In this video, I'm going to talk about the pros and the cons of day trading. So I've been day trading for 3+ years now, and I've seen a lot of the upsides and a lot of the downsides, and we're going to go over those right now. So pro number one of trading, the freedom of day trading. In day trading, you can trade from anywhere in the world. As long as you have an internet connection and a laptop, you can trade from wherever you want in the world. You can take a fucking vacation to Puerto Rico. You can stay in your fucking mom's basement and day trade. You can day trade from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. You can trade by the beach. You can trade in a fucking apartment on the balcony. You can trade from anywhere in the fucking world. It's beautiful. Also, it takes 1 to 2 hours a day to trade. That's it. Then the rest of the day you have to yourself. Sure, you have to go to bed early and you have to wake up early, but you have the whole day to yourself to either continue to grow as a person, or you can just fuck off and smoke weed and play video games all day. You can do that. Now, I'm not suggesting that, and I don't think you'll be a great day trader if you do that, but that is something that you can do with day trading. You get to do what you want. Next, the first con, the pressure and the isolation. So, day trading is a complete you versus you game. When you come to the markets each day, it's you versus yourself. You're deciding, should I make a decision to take a trade? Should I sit here and do nothing? How much should I risk? Should I move my stop loss to break even? Where should I be targeting? How much money? What's my RR? It's all on you. You have to be the one that makes the decision, and all the pressure is on you. There's nobody to blame. When you lose 5 trades in a row, because sometimes that will fucking happen when you lose 5 trades in a row. It shouldn't happen often if you're a good trader, but that can happen. Who is there to point the finger at and put the pressure on? It's you. You have to look yourself in the mirror and identify what's wrong. Nobody's gonna fucking come to help you. It's all on you. So that's con number one. Pro number two, trading is infinitely scalable. It is genuinely infinitely scalable. If you have $1 million in your trading account and you make 1% on a trade, that's $10,000. And the trade could be the exact same that you're taking if you only have $500 in your trading account. So if you take the exact same trade on a $500 account and on $100,000 on $1 million account, they're the exact same trade, but one trade makes $5 while the other trade makes $10,000. But it's the exact same trade. It's completely dependent on your capital. And your account will grow. You will continue to grow your account and the numbers will continue to get bigger. It is infinitely scalable. Con number two, uncertainty. So this is the biggest obstacle that you will face in your trading journey, is the uncertainty of it. There will be days where you come into the market, maybe you've been trading for 1 to 2 years, and you'll come into the market and you'll have no fucking clue what we're doing. Maybe we're ranging, we're just consolidating up and down, and you have no fucking clue what we're doing, and it'll feel like, man, I am so lost. Do I know what I'm doing? There will be days like that, even when you're making money from this. And you've got to learn to just accept it. And especially before you're profitable, there will be some really tough days. I remember it took me, I was going through this one strategy for 9 months, and I never saw any real success. 9 whole months of straight failures. And I didn't know if I was going to make it. I didn't know if I was going to make it in trading. That shit fucking hurt. There will be days where that shit is going to fucking hurt you. But are you able to push through it? Are you able to live with the uncertainty? That feeling in your stomach, like, it's just this fucking sick feeling in your stomach of, I don't know if this is going to work out. And that feeling is not going to go away, but you have to learn to live with it. Pro number 3, you are the boss. Nobody gets to tell you when you can take days off. Nobody tells you when you can take vacation. You can fucking take a vacation whenever you want. Whenever you want. You can take an entire fucking month off if you want. If you looked back on your previous months and said, I've been doing really good, I'm going to take a month off to regroup and to get my mental stability back. You can fucking do that. You can take off Mondays. You don't have to go to work on Mondays. You can take work off on Fridays. You know, I don't want to trade on Fridays, so I'm gonna take Fridays off. You can do that. And you also don't even trade the weekends. You get the weekends fully to yourself. You are the boss. And also, You don't have any employees under you. You don't have to deal with anything like that. That'll be another pro that I'm going to go over. But you are the boss. You can decide what you want to do. Con number 3, successful trading is boring. Yes, successful trading is boring. It is not. You come into the market and you risk half your account. That's gambling. If trading seems fun to you, you're probably gambling, because most of the time you're sat in your chair looking at the charts and you're doing nothing. 95% of the time in trading, you're doing nothing. You're not taking a trade. You're not putting risk into the market. You're just sitting there and watching. It is boring. It should be boring. It's a job. Successful trading is boring. Pro number 4 is personal growth. Trading, it's a game of having a growth mindset. You will see the weaknesses in yourself as a person. Trading will show you that. It'll show you your unconfidence in yourself. It'll show you your FOMO. It'll show you where you're lacking in your life, and you'll have to either strengthen it or you'll continue to just fail and not be successful as a trader. But you will see so much growth. When you look back from where you first started, you will see so much growth. If you've been doing this for a year, 2 years, you can look back on where you started and you see how much you've grown as a trader and as a person. It's beautiful. You grow so much within this. You become the best version of yourself. Con number 4, it's unstable and unpredictable. Your income is not very stable. Some months you'll do much better than other months. Some weeks, maybe you're not making any money. You go break even. Some weeks, maybe you lose money. Other weeks, maybe you make a shit ton of money. It's extremely unstable and unpredictable. Right now, we're at all-time highs. So there's worse trading conditions. You're probably not making as much money right now, trading in all-time highs. You're having to sit there and wait more often. You're seeing choppier price action, and it feels more stressful. It's so unstable. And that's why I think it's necessary to always have another source of income while day trading. But that is con number 4. Pro number 5. You don't have to worry about any of the other bullshit with companies. If you own a business, you have to worry about a lot of things. You have to worry about having employees, managing employees and paying them. You have to worry about your inventory. You have to worry about your profit margins. There's none of that in day trading. All you do is sit at your computer, you take a trade, you make money or you lose money. Your trading expenses are your losses. And your winners should eat your losers. Your winners should be 2 to 3 times bigger than your losers. And it's not like it'll happen pretty quick. It'll happen within the week usually. If I take a loss, maybe on Monday, Tuesday, in the rest of the week, I'll take one trade that'll be bigger. It'll be 2 to 3 times bigger, and I'll completely forget about that loss. And if it doesn't happen, then it'll happen the next week. It'll happen the next month. It'll happen the next year, where your wins are so much bigger than your losses that it doesn't even matter. So you don't have to deal with the other bullshit of owning a business. It's very freeing. Con number 5, you will never be able to fully master trading. There is no full mastery of day trading. You will always have to be on your toes. You'll never be able to just fully relax and not worry. There is no mastering trading. Even if you put your 10,000 hours in, 10,000 hours, like Malcolm Gladwell said, to master something, you'll still have to continue to work at your craft all the time. You'll never, ever, ever fully master day trading. So that's con number 5. My opinion. What are my opinions on whether you should or should not start day trading? Well, I think just try it. I think you start to try it, and if in the first 2 months you don't enjoy looking at the chart, you don't enjoy the actual process of day trading, I think you should not do it. I don't think you should be a day trader. But if you can come into the charts and enjoy looking at price, seeing where price goes, you have like a mindset of where you think price is going to go, and then when price goes there, and you feel that enjoyment, that fulfillment of seeing price do what you thought it was going to do, if you enjoy that and you enjoy drawing lines on a fucking chart, I think it's so worth it. It's so freeing. It takes 1 to 2 hours a day. You make a shitload of money, and you get to grow extremely fast as a human being. You get to be the best version of yourself. I think trading is extremely worth it, in my opinion, but it's going to take a lot of hardship. And if you're able to push through it, you will be rewarded for it. So don't come into this thinking it's gonna be fucking easy. Cause I sure did. I came into this thinking it was gonna be easy as shit. Fuck no. Took me 3 years. It's not gonna be fucking easy. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe for more trading content. I'm gonna try and post 2 times a week. And I'm gonna post all my trade recaps. Every time I take a trade, I will post a recap and post it on this channel. And that's all for what. That's all. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. So peace out.